Good day everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video I will show you how to add FAQ in Wix Studio. So it's a very simple process. Go ahead and press on the apps button right over here, add apps. So in the Wix app market, search for Wix FAQ, provide quick answers, etc. And now add to site. So just press this blue button. And now it's going to be added to our website. And now basically you want to move this in any page you want. For example, I will move it all the way down so that it's not interfering with our store. I'm just going to drag it and just do it like this. Right, so move it into here. And basically now, as you can see, frequently asked questions, you can now go ahead and customize it in any way you want, insert any type of text you want. And that's basically going to be your FAQ, guys. Thank you for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.